Waterproofing water-bearing positive and negative side above or below ground level porous masonry surfaces with Coprox Masonry Waterproofing. Coprox Masonry Waterproofing is suitable for sufficiently aged and cured porous virgin mortar, screed and plaster of recognized building mix standards and good quality virgin porous cement and clay bricks. Surface preparation. Remove any efflorescence whilst dry using a stiff bristle scrubbing brush. Clean the surfaces. Remove dust, dirt and all other foreign matter. Application. Do not apply to exterior surfaces if rain is imminent, during high winds or freezing temperatures. Mixing. Pour 5 liters of clean water into a clean plastic container. Then sprinkle 5 kilograms of Coprox Masonry Waterproofing slowly into the clean water, stirring constantly until smooth and free of lumps. Use immediately. To prevent settling, stir frequently throughout the application. First coat. Thoroughly wet the surface with clean water. Surfaces that are already wet as a result of damp or rain do not need to dry before the application commences. Liberally apply the Coprox Masonry Waterproofing to the wet surface using a suitable brush. Ensure that all depressions, fine cracks and pinholes are covered. Once the Coprox Masonry Waterproofing visibly begins to dry, cure the application by evenly wetting it with a fine mist spray. Repeat this procedure 1 or more times to minimize crazing and powdering. In hot climates or high temperatures, cure the application more frequently. Second coat. Apply the second coat 6 to 8 hours or more after curing the first coat. Simply wet the first coat with water and then apply the second coat in the same manner as before. Powdering. The structure will only absorb sufficient Coprox Masonry Waterproofing as is necessary to render it waterproof. Powdering after curing may therefore occur. Simply dust or wash off the excess. When being used for decorative purposes, bathrooms, showers and kitchens should be sealed with Coprox wall and floor clear sealer to prevent staining. Before filling swimming pools, ponds, reservoirs and water features, first remove any excess powder by thoroughly hosing down the surfaces several times with generous amounts of water, 24 hours or more after the second coat has been cured. Then mop up the water and thereafter proceed with the filling of clean water. Once cured, Coprox Masonry Waterproofing is non-toxic and therefore not harmful to human, animal or plant life. The water must, however, be free of any excess powder and allowed to age sufficiently and treated chemically before introducing fish or plants. Consult your local pet shop or water authority in this regard. In the case of swimming pools, pH levels should be properly maintained. All chemicals should be added via the weir. For the use of Coprox Masonry Waterproofing as a decorative application, please view the decorating module contained elsewhere in this presentation.